Hello, I'm Greg Gerber, Technical Director of Research and Development here at Powernet, and today I'm going to be discussing some questions that you need to ask to qualify your customers for cell phone signal boosters and the type that we would need to design for and provide pricing for. There are several different types on the market, and the questions that I'll give you will help us determine the type of signal booster that you would need in their particular location. One of the things that you want to determine first and foremost when you look at a cell phone signal booster is whether or not the building needs 100% coverage of the building, or does it need specific areas covered. And usually you can tell just when you walk into a building just by looking at your phone what your own signal is like, and that should give you an indication of what the coverage in the building is like, for at least for that particular carrier. One of the other things that you want to look at or ask about is the total number of users that we should expect in a common area or in a certain part of the building. For example, if they have a party or if they have something going on where they're going to have a higher concentration of users and devices in an area, we would need to know how many they would have at any one given time. And one of the reasons is because of the different types of devices or of boosters available, they are limited based on total number of concurrent users. So you want to ask about how many users that we should expect at any one time in a common area. Some of the other questions that we need to know are with regard to voice or data and what services that they are interested in covering or would like to cover in their building. So for example, one of the questions you could ask is, do you have problems now with voice calls dropping as you move throughout your building? Are you able to only use text as you move throughout the building? Are they interested in covering data as well as voice and text? And then one of the final questions you need to consider is whether or not they are interested in one specific carrier, or are they interested in boosting signal for all carriers. And that's important because most quality cell phone booster manufacturers usually provide different models, some that only cover a specific carrier and some that will cover all 4 carriers in one model. And so those are the main questions you would want to focus on that would allow us to begin a process of design and building a BOM and getting you some type of pricing for a property. There are additional things that we would need to consider with regard to signal, but this should be enough to at least get you started with a customer and understanding what their needs are and helping guide us into how we should talk to them. If you have additional questions, you can always contact us at any time or click on the link below for more information. Thank you.